What's up boys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. You clicked on this video because there is a crazy fucking meet going on. I don't know what's going on either, so we're kind of doing this thing together. You're watching and I'm about to go to the absolute chaos, which is 10 meters that way. Obviously you can hear this bitch chirping. She's ready to go full tank, and I even have new wheels on the back because I had a look at mine today and it was right down to the wire, which is pretty fucked up. Last time 600 people pulled up, about 400 cars, and there was a 10 car pile on the freeway. Hopefully it's the same numbers, less accidents. Let's get into it. You got a Zeno, man. Look at this bitch. Holy shit.
Hey man.
Hello, I'm an Art I'm crazy warehouse.
Yeah, I know.
Literally. We gotta stop having pre-meets here. This is the fucking
Up that ladder.
big dog. How are you? Boys, these pre-meets are honestly crazier than the car meets. Where's Shady?
The highs with the lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. The highs with the lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown.
Alright boys, we have the pre-meet.
Oh my god.
Is that right? Are you coming?
Is that Trey? Oh my god. Can I get a photo?
You're that guy,
Please.
You're that guy that never sticks with the car and you just sell them all. We're coming soon. Shady does 360s in his cars and he's like, why is it broken? It's meant to go straight. This dude never drives fucking straight. Guys, watch it. This is the behind the scenes. Watch how Josh does his videos.
No, fuck off.
Everyone Josh is filming the video.
Hi guys.
Oh, now he's actually gonna know he's gonna win. He's like waiting for us to look away, but like
No, we're actually like.
Oh fuck yeah, I'm getting
shit. Looks pretty slow to me.
Man, the clubby would walk this.
Relax.
Nope. No.
No, it would not.
What? Who owns this one? What is it? 1300.
Oh, I don't know.
Nah, it's not 13, it's 15.
13. 8.
It's a berra.
How you say it?
A berra. That's the boy who got a berra. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, boy. You know what's crazy? I got 2 of those on my car.
Don't fucking look at me like that.
This bitch is sick. That boy got a 7-inch roll in the fucking. Yeah.
I take 2.
Now.
Huh?
The time is now. It's all about to happen.
It's about to get real fucking loud when everyone starts their cars, so yeah. Use ride down.
Can I please get a photo?
Yeah. What do you boys drive? Boys. Like, these car meets are fucking chaos. To be honest, I don't even know what we're doing. We just come out, look at cool cars. The pre-meets is like where the boys pull up to show our cool cars, like McLarens and mine. And then now we're gonna walk around and see all your boys. The last meet, we gave away like 3K cash. We didn't have that shit. I was gonna bring some case to G up, but I also forgot that, so I don't know, we'll just see what happens. Let's play a bit of music for the next 35 seconds.
Clear out the room, I'm coming through, they wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill, I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost a stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO so is what I'm rapping. Sending emojis, I'm blowing a pack of that OG. Don't be acting like you know.
Evan?
Yeah.
I'm trying to think of the Instagram handle, and your like profile picture is dark with a bit of orange. Yeah, is that when your principal like fucking called the cops?
No, I wasn't principal, like security or something.
We dropped this dude off to his formal, and me and Will kind of pinned it, and she's like, "This is why formal runs don't happen."
Yeah.
Fucking chaser. Yeah, we flogged it out of there. Yeah, that was pretty funny. Hello, how are you, brother? Nice to meet you. Oh, well, there you go.
I love what you love when you look after these boys.
Of course.
Come and show them shit.
Just try and
so cool, man.
be a good role model.
They just love cars.
Yeah, everyone loves cars.
Hey, when they piss you off, kick them in, please.
These guys?
When they piss you off, kick them in.
No, he's sweet. He's a good.
They're good kids. They just love cars. They follow you guys through and through.
No, we do appreciate that. It's cool for all these events and people pulling up. It's nerve-wracking, bro, because all like the pre-meet, we're like, fuck, is anyone going to turn up? Yeah, it's pretty chaos. It's awesome, though.
Nah, it's good. I appreciate what you guys do and look after the kids. When they're a pest, kick them out.
Nah, they're all good, bro.
Love
We
them,
will.
mate.
You too,
Appreciate
brother.
it.
You have a good one. When I was dressed up? Yeah, that was the night. Wasn't that one? With the go-karts and the skateboards? Yeah, well, fuck. At least I was sober. Normally when people say, like, you met me in Surfers, I'm like, fuck, no, I don't remember you. I'm blind.
Thank you. Lads. See you, bro.
3 hours.
Big drive. We're driving back as well.
Where from?
Kangaroo.
You drove 3 hours for this?
Yeah.
Well,
30. Respect, brother. That's fucking gangster. Let's
I hope it was worth it.
Yeah.
A lot of caffeine and
Yeah.
we're going to we pulled up with 3 and we're down to 2. We gotta fucking go. Down to Bob's in Burleigh. I got Shady behind me, and we got every single person behind him. So let's get it. Oh, hear that? Let me park up and I'll make noise. Is that a fucking Hyundai? Just get this money, baby. No risk, no reward.
It's a banger song, though.
Yeah. That's my go-to lately. Yeah, for the second spot, it's alright at the moment.
Flexing the L.
You'll see it. We've done meets
can
and
put a big plate.
like Hurricanes drive around with L plates.
Really?
It's just funny because people do exactly what you just did. Look, he's on his L's. And makes cunts look. But when you're on your L's, you're allowed to drive whatever.
Yeah.
Like you can drive Lambos.
Yeah, I drove my dad's fucking Caprice and saw it rear-ended.
Well,
Totaled it.
there you go. He's not getting my keys.
It wasn't my fault, it was the Tesla that rear-ended me.
Fucking Tesla, he drove itself.
I
That's
got
the
paid
excuse.
out good though.
How much?
I don't know. It's my dad that got paid out. I didn't get paid out.
I got paid out good, man. No money.
I got paid out.
What else? I
got out early.
No, that's good. Save that. Save that.
it.
Say that. Well, go again. Yeah, he had one job.
Everywhere, bro.
Stand still. I'll be blind. On the freeway, we're just cruising and Will pulled up next to some fucking
Will's just fast cut for start day.
G6
We're
mate.
my fucking
And we're like, hey, it's going to be a good race. So, oh, Will's fucked. You saw it first and you got We heard it. We were like, what's that sound? Oh, no. It was gone, cunt. Oh yeah, don't mind me. I already drank a V on the way here and I was like, why the fuck? You can't even fucking hear me. It's so loud. Yeah, I'm kind of dying right now, so. Oh, Josh is here. Fucking scoops in here. Then you can have the top.
I've got a big drive home. I forgot to bring my pre-workout.
fuck? I don't know where the scoop is, bro. Hang on. Look at the colour of that, bro. On the freeway. Yeah, you can have that one.
Bad, bro. Thank you,
Clubs there. Bit of water. Do you put powder first and then water?
Powder and water.
What the fuck is wrong with you,
Water,
bro?
water then powder.
Yeah, because otherwise it's like, I mean...
Not bad, eh?
Well, that's what you get for driving 3 hours. I can't give you any more. I can't fucking talk! Yeah, hopefully that's working.
Pick one.
If you're gonna shoot someone, do it at a car meet. We wouldn't fucking know. Jesus Christ.
What's up, brother? Special tea, special flavor.
What's up, brother? Fuck!
February.
Yeah, was that at SeaWorld?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was in my mate's Tommy.
See what I'm saying? I do remember. I do remember. That's crazy. Yeah, fuck yeah. Hi, Josh. Sorry, Josh. Remember me.
Hey, Josh.
No,
Hey,
he's got a photo.
Josh.
He's famous now, though.
Josh.
Remember me? Remember me?
Nah, stay in your lane.
Cameras
Josh,
go on, I
Josh.
disappear. Anyway.
I remember I had a cool car once. I had a Maloo once.
Remember me, brother? I remember when I had a mock-up GTSR.
Yeah, it's always a first. That's crazy.
No, serious.
That's crazy. Bro, it's crazy. Imagine building a GSR like everyone thinks it's legit.
Good to meet you, bro. See you, bro.
Can't just wait for the SpongeBob. Tag for the fucking.
Yeah, go do it on the fucking hard lid of my ute.
I love these guys. I love these guys. We're just going to GYG. We're getting food. Yeah.
It's his fucking birthday, mate. Vortex it?
Vagina. Buffalo soldier. Okay, now stop. Now stop. Red light cross. Now you got the rest of it. Okay, that's not a Scully. That's the heart of America.